Today we are going to find what is a sine inverse value. Using of log Kleck's table, we are going to find sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse. Okay, I am taken same value, it may be different value also, you can take it to find different angle. Okay, I am going to show with the same value sine inverse of 0.34. How many degree it's going to represent? Okay, so we have three tables. Okay, sine table, cos table and tan table. We have three tables. Okay, we have the value of sine. Okay, sine 0.34. okay, so this is a degree, it is a value of radian. Okay, so sine, we are going to find the degree. Okay, that means you have to see the value of radian. This is a point you can see. We have lot of numbers, only using a first column you can find we have the 0.34, two decimal only is there. Okay, so 0.34, it's a 0.034, we are not seeing this. Okay, so see here 0.34 is representing as a 20 degree. Okay, so it's representing the degree column in a 20 degree. Okay, when it's this is 0.3420, that angle will be 20 degree, sine angle will be 20 degree. Okay, what about the cos? It is opposite to the cos. Actually it's a 17 degree. We are going to check 0.37, its cos is going to represent as a 70 degree. That only we are going to, I am going to show you now. Okay, I am taken cos table. Okay, 0.34 is not there here because from 0, 1, 2, 3, 40 till 45 degree is not there. Okay, and again this column I am going just continuing. See here 0.34 is representing as a 70 degree. Okay, so I got cos as a 70 degree. Okay, now tan 0.34. okay, I am taken tan column. Okay, so 0.34 I am taken, degree is representing as a 19. Okay, so it is a 19 degree. Okay, so this is a way we can find for different value for sine, cos, tan. Okay, you can find with a different value also. Thank you.